Hey guys, in this video, I want to show you how to make Google Drive upload faster. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so there's a few different ways how we can do this. So the first way is to optimize your internet connection. So if you're using a wide connection, for example, an Ethernet cable, more stable, and this is more faster than a Wi-Fi connection. And also move closer to the router if you are using Wi-Fi. This reduces interference. You can also check your upload bandwidth. So you can go to speedtest.net to see upload speeds. Now this is important for Drive uploads. Another thing we can do is disable any active running VPNs. So if you got any running on your extensions, go ahead and disable any of the VPNs running. And now if your files are quite large, we might need to optimize the files before uploading to Google Drive. So compress files in zip or RAR files. Fewer files upload faster than many small ones, and split very large files as well. So use file splitters so each part uploads more smoothly. Also convert media, so you can reduce video file size if you don't need full resolution, and there's plenty of programs online that can do this. And now if you're using Google Chrome, we can go ahead and clear browser cache. So click on the three dots, then click into settings. On the left hand side, it's going to say have all these different tabs. We want to click onto the one that says privacy and security. Click onto delete browsing data, and then click make sure cookies and other site data is checked in case image and files. Click delete data, and that's going to improve your speeds on Google Chrome. And also check background uploads and downloads. So if you got any torrents or cloud backups or streaming, just go ahead and disable all of those before you go ahead and upload into Google Drive.